Top 5 RWA coins to watch in 2025, tokenizing everything. In 2025, crypto's biggest breakthrough isn't in the metaverse, it's in the real world. Tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, like bonds, real estate, and equities are transforming blockchain's relationship with traditional finance. Crypto assets are high risk. You could lose all the money you invest. There is no consumer protection. This content is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. The RWA market is projected to hit over $16 trillion by 2030. Major institutions like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Citi are already experimenting with tokenized treasuries and on-chain securities. This shift is not just theoretical. Crypto-native RWA platforms are already issuing tokenized versions of government bonds, ETFs, and even private equity. The real world meets Web3, and these 5 coins are leading the charge. Let's break down the top 5 real-world asset crypto projects to watch in 2025, including their purpose, use cases, and why they could explode during this bull cycle. First on the list is Ondo Finance, Ondo. It's tokenizing short-term US Treasuries and bringing real yield to DeFi. Its flagship product, OUSG, represents tokenized government bonds. Ondo has partnerships with BlackRock, Coinbase, and leading custodians. It's run by ex-Goldman Sachs executives and is becoming the institutional standard for on-chain yield. The Ondo token provides governance, rewards ecosystem users, and may soon offer real yield sharing, making it more than just a utility token. Analysts project Ondo could reach $3 to $5 in 2025. Next is Polymesh, POLYX, a Layer 1 blockchain purpose-built for regulated financial assets. It's tailored for tokenized securities, stocks, bonds, ETFs, and more. Polymesh integrates KYC, AML natively into its chain and allows permissioned asset issuance, legal compliance, and on-chain identity verification. The POLYX token powers network fees, compliance functions, and validator staking. With increased demand for compliant DeFi and tokenized securities, price targets range from $1.50 to $2.50. Our third pick is Matrixdock STBT, a stablecoin alternative backed 1-to-1 by US Treasury bills. It offers 4.5 to 5.3% yield and is used by DAOs and institutions looking for safe on-chain returns. STBT isn't a typical token. It's a yield-bearing asset with full proof of reserves and regulated custody. Think of it as the crypto-native money market fund. STBT won't moon in price, but its impact comes from growing TVL, DeFi integrations, and becoming the go-to institutional stable yield asset. Coming in fourth is Realio Network, RWA. This platform combines Layer 1 infrastructure and token issuance tools for real estate, private equity, and high-value asset tokenization. Realio is SEC registered in the US, supports Reg D offerings, and offers both permissioned and permissionless asset launches. RWA is used for staking, gas fees, governance, and tokenizing new assets. With fractional real estate offerings and institutional deals on the horizon, analysts forecast $3 to $5 price targets. Rounding out our list is Bakkt Finance, a Swiss-based project that wraps real-world ETFs and stocks like the S&P 500, Tesla, and Apple into ERC20 tokens. bTokens like BCSPX, S&P 500, are legally compliant, redeemable, and usable across DeFi protocols. They let investors build traditional portfolios, fully on-chain. Bakkt's strategy focuses on compliance, transparency, and DeFi integrations. As demand for tokenized TradFi assets grows, Bakkt could become the default bridge between worlds. Each of these RWA tokens tackles a different piece of the financial puzzle. Ondo brings yield, Polymesh brings regulation, Matrixdock brings stability, Realio offers asset access, and Bakkt enables traditional equities on-chain. For investors, the RWA theme isn't about hype, it's about utility. Real cash flows, legal frameworks, institutional demand. It's where blockchain and the real world finally converge. Key investor tips: focus on tokens with real world backing, strong token utility, and live integrations. Avoid projects with high FDV and low circulating supply. RWAs are attracting capital from VCs, asset managers, and even governments. Expect more listings, on-chain ETFs, and tokenized gold, carbon, and real estate in the coming year. If you're just getting started, consider stable RWAs like STBT or OUSG. For growth plays, Ondo, POLYX, and Realio offer the strongest token upside based on adoption trends. Risks remain. Regulatory uncertainty, custody concerns, and smart contract vulnerabilities are still relevant. DYOR before allocating capital. But the trend is clear, tokenization is here. And these 5 projects are already building the infrastructure. Subscribe to CryptoPulse for more in-depth crypto research, price breakdowns, and investor insights every day. Drop a comment below. Which of these AI projects are you watching in 2025?